Can we not do that again?
Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin'.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. It's your girl Tei Jae. Back with another video. As you guys can see by the title of this video, today is a freaking unboxing. Woo woo! But today we're here unboxing the iPhone XS Max. So I'm super excited. Y'all, I had this phone about a week and I wanted to make an unboxing video, so I didn't open it. I get a new phone every year, no lie. So the phone that I currently have now is the iPhone X. I came from an iPhone 7 Plus, I believe, when I upgraded to the X. So yeah, this is basically what it looks like. I know it's probably going to be no difference between the iPhone X and then the iPhone XS Max, besides the size change and I believe like the camera and stuff like that. Woo-hoo! I'm gonna do the boxing. So here is the freaking iPhone XS Max. So we're gonna go ahead and take the paper off, which I already did. I just put it back in here for purposes. But y'all, I'm just so freaking excited. What the box looks like, I'll give you guys an up close in case you guys are wondering. For those waiting on your phone, or if you already got yours, you probably say, sis, you're late and wrong. But I don't give a F, okay? Okay. I'll just open her up and see what she do. So, what? Of course, it's this where you get the little pamphlet. Oh my gosh, y'all, do y'all see that freaking phone? That is big as crap, and it's like, and legit. Okay, this looks a little bigger, but you know, y'all, this is freaking beautiful. I always do my phones for a comparison, but I'm gonna do that in a minute. So basically in here, what you get? You get the hello. Oh, shit, I'm just dropping stuff. You get the pamphlet. This talks about hello and all that good stuff. Is basically telling you how to work your phone. And I believe this is a good idea to look at if you haven't had the iPhone X before, because you're literally not gonna know what you're doing. Because when I first got the iPhone X, I didn't know what I was doing. So it comes with the thing. I never knew that. I just seen it in there. So it comes with this. I guess you can put an SD or memory card in there. I don't know. And we're gonna get our little Apple stickers. Now y'all mad because like last year I did a box in the iPhone X, and sis, it didn't come with these stickers. So like now I got a sticker and I can make things look like they Apple and they not. Okay, so this is the freaking phone. We want to take her out, and then of course we'll just go into the box details first. Y'all, that's so freaking big. We got the little headphones as usual. We got the little charger. I got so many pairs of that. And then we have the little cable. And I'm not in any form, shape, or way any type of like tech guru or things like that. I'm just telling you what to get because I don't know. And that's it. So this year, unfortunately, they don't have the little connector thing where you're able to put regular headphones inside of there. So I'm guessing they said miss me with that. If you didn't get it last year, you ain't getting it this year. But that is cool or whatever. But I'm just trying to get into the phone. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking pretty. Look, y'all, before I take the paper off, it's supposed to be like a gold color, but of course it's gonna look white on here. And excuse my fingers because they're crusty. Okay, this is so freaking pretty, and it's so freaking big. Like, I don't want to take the paper off. I don't have a freaking case for this, so that's exactly why I don't want to take the paper off either. So tomorrow I'm definitely gonna get me a case or order me one from Amazon. Y'all, I'm just so freaking hyped because like y'all, I'm loving the bigness of the phone. Like I missed that. Between this and this, I've missed like the width and the typing and things like that. It's a definitely a big difference. The width of it. And I'm gonna miss this phone, but babe, it's been, I'm gonna turn it on without taking the paper off. I know some of you guys are gonna be mad because y'all said, man, I don't care. Like, I'm gonna turn her on. Oh my god, she's hurt. She's hurt. She's hurt. Like, and I'm not really as happy because, like, I already know what the phone's gonna do because I had the iPhone X. So, like, when you're coming from 7 Plus and 8 and going to the X, you're gonna be more excited. You're gonna be, you know, looking around and having things to do because you don't really know the phone. But once you already know the phone, sis, it's like a wrap. Yeah, it's on, you guys. It is on, sis. It is on a show popping. So yeah, this is pretty much my wrap and unboxing. Nothing too serious, just me unboxing my new phone. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set her up and play with her for the evening, or it's gonna be a heat. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do like what's in my iPhone XS Max, you know, apps and stuff. Let me know if you guys are interested in that or anything. But yeah, this is but yeah, this is pretty much it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know what else to do.